If you talk that thing again, if you talk that thing again, if they do that kind of thing, you will accept sorry as an option. Baby, but you not cause him now. Do you know what you're causing me? Okay, when they're making this, I will go and God forgive him. When they pack your things, come off from my room. I told me here domestic distance. Leave sorry, go deep. Father talk, leave sorry.
Baby, I want to tell you something.
What is it? What is the problem?
I want to tell you something.
Oh, come and sit down now. So you are looking. Is anything the matter? Where is baby Rani?
Where is this?
What is the problem now?
I'm sorry.
Baby, can you hear me? Did my mother call you?
There's something I wanted to tell you this since so, but I don't know how I'm going to tell you. I don't know.
What is the problem? What is the problem? You're even making me now my mind the fly, now my heart the fly.
I'm very, very sorry.
Forgive you for what? What did you do? Is Roshi? Eh? Baby Zuriye Mado. Baby, are you keeping secret from me?
I don't know how to tell you.
You don't know how to tell me what, Kwano?
I think I'm tormenting me since.
Oh yeah, say it. Shayna, you carry your leg now, come here now. Say it out now. Oof, Tanya, now. She won't tell me. Stand up first. Stand up, come and sit down. Let's talk.
Please,
Stop, Okwana. Yes, I've accepted. Come, let's talk now. Let's talk. Baby, in amazing. I'm feeling so bad. Baby, don't fall for grand. Eh?
I don't know how I'm going to say it now.
You don't know how you're going to say what, baby. I've gone through a lot already. Tell me now.
Promise me that you're going to forgive me no matter what.
Miss you what? I don't know, baby. Promise. Eh? Tell me now. Then you go left for me and make I choose whether I go forgive you, no problem. Or you stand up now. Stand up. Baby, stop all these things. Stand up first. Stand up now.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're sorry about waiting, Kwano.
I'm so sorry.
Now. Stand up.
I'm so sorry. Please.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know how to tell you now.
Baby, now I'm telling you, tell me now. Stop all these things. Ozugo, what is the problem? What is the problem? Baby, what is the problem? Stop all this. Baby, the more you are doing this thing, the more my heart will fall from my stomach. Leave all these things now. I'm not be feeling fine. Stand up now. Shall I tell you?
Just promise me that you're going to forgive.
Forgive waiting now. No. What you do? Can you marry? Tell me what you do now. Now I go know that. You leave what you they do for room. Come here and come they do all these things. Baby, what is it? Oh yeah, calm down. Relax. What is the problem? Care of the problem. Baby, Ren, is he fine? Can you now? When you go for, did you break anything? You spoil TV.
Our baby.
Oh, baby, do it, baby. Can you marry baby Ren?
Our baby.
Baby, can you marry baby Ren? Is he okay? Eh? Baby?
Baby.
Meregini?
It's not your baby.
Baby Ren is not who? You the whine me. Which kind of nonsense baby Ren is not my baby? Can you hear yourself? Baby Ren will resemble me. I'm not trying to talk. No, you didn't talk through. Say baby Ren know me my baby. Baby tell me say the whine me. Which kind of where they go? Who can get who can be baby Ren papa? Who can be father? Yeah, sorry, I don't want to now talk.
I'm sorry.
Wetin be sorry concerning what you tell me now? Two of them just dey very, very far. Very far. Baby, what is? Are you sorry about baby Ren is not my pikin? Are you sorry? What are you sorry about? That is what I want to know. What is the problem? Baby Ren, whose father be who is pikin be baby Ren? Who get that is Desmond? No. Let's come on,
I'm sorry.
The same guy wait, let me say that prank.
Baby, I'm sorry.
No, wait. Leave sorry, no D. Father talk, leave sorry.
Sorry, baby, I'm sorry. But you say you forgive me now.
Okay, when they're making this, I will go and God forgive him. No. If another woman come there saying don't born for me, come for this dog with you now. The drag position, you.
Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry.
Baby, now that guy, now this one guy.
Baby, I'm sorry now.
No, but God him now. Now this one, I'm trying to be calm.
I'm sorry now.
Baby, I told me here domestic distance. I told me now I'm mad of him tomorrow, and I say promise the I'm trying myself now to calm myself down.
I don't want to tell you, I don't want to answer you.
And as I'm coming down and I start talking, who is the father of baby? If I'm not the father, who is the father? You allow me, I take care of baby then. Buy and clothes, go hospital, pay everything, bring them back. I know how much amphetamine why they buy here every a carton of amphetamine, know how much they buy. One like this 33,000 everything, and they give her. You open your mouth, tell me say baby rain no be my son, baby. Yeah, are you joking with me? I'm not believing this thing. Like you get as they do me. Baby, who is baby rain father? When you can start talking now, you know that any money I put shine. Who is baby rain papa? This month, when they pack your things, come out from my room.
Baby, I'm sorry now. Baby, say I'm not to forgive. Baby, I'm sorry now.
Come on.
Baby, I'm sorry now.
I go do something stupid. Come on from this house.
Baby, I'm sorry now.
You're sorry about what? If now you go there sorry, you go accept sorry. No, if now you they do that kind of thing, you will accept sorry as an option. What do you mean by that? Baby, what can you not cause him now? Do you know what you're causing me? Do you know what you're causing me? Leave that thing.
I'm sorry.
Stop touching me, Cody. Do you know? Hi, God, oh. Hi, God, oh.
Please forgive me now.
If you talk that in again, if you talk that in again, if you mention that in again, hi, God. Baby, come out this house. Stand up, get away. She has been there something stupid this night. Come on. She have passed some talk. Go there, get away. Me go there.
Baby, calm down, baby. Baby, calm down.
Baby,
Not prank. Baby, calm down. Not prank, you know.
Afugodi maka.
No, baby. Wait now. Baby, wait now.
Afugodi no now. I don't want to fall you. Calm down, Cody. Leave me.
Wait now, not prank. Baby, sit. What's up with that? Baby, what's up with that? Baby, not prank. So, not prank now. Not prank now. Why you gonna shoot at me like that one? Baby, now. Why you gonna shoot at me?
What did I do you? You want buy me before my time? No. What is it?
He doesn't mean anything now.
Before you say how I am going to go. Before as a panic in a video. My eyes is more guy hugging you see. Like him when we making here. Yeah, one am more weekend. No, you know your sister will let him go. I said gas and come back. But first of all, this thing now, as I indirectly cage at one man is your baby. Let's talk now. Let's talk.
Baby, he's your son now.
No,
he's your son now. No, he's your son.
Look, I go check him.
No, he's your son now.
Look, I go check him now.
Baby, he's your son. Where are you going to?
My son,
He's your son.
Did they just play talk to somebody? Wait, baby. I need to go and investigate.
Not get anywhere. He's your son now. After they play.
True, but no.
That is what is not the first.
Mota.
Not the first. The
I know.
result.
Look, I go see the boy.